Hello, my name is André. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, and this is my project for CS50. This is project 0 from the first week, from the lecture of HTML and CSS. For this project, I did the search bar of the Google search, and we can search anything here and press Google search, then we go to the page. Or we can press I'm feeling lucky to go for the first, be redirected for the first attempt, first link. And here we can also search for the image, an image search. Here, all dog images. We can do, here you can see in the upper right the links to go to the other pages. In the image search you can go back to the Google search, and the Google search you can go to the advanced search, and we can search for all these exact words, don't know, like fast, don't know, anything, and we'll do the advanced search here. So thank you, this was my project, see you later.